Hello everyone, welcome to this video. From this video, we'll get to know that how can you withdraw your amount from Geonix India. So here I have opened the official website, that is geonixindia.com, and the interface look like this. For getting the withdrawal, I will choose my three lines given on the left side, then choose the withdrawal option. From the screen, you can see the bank saved option where you can update your account details here. For withdrawal, you can choose a minimum amount of 500 to maximum amount of 80,000. I am entering the amount of 50,000 here, and then you need to choose the option of submit withdraw. Here, to get your withdrawal, you need to update your package first. So let's upgrade the package. So exit the screen from here and choose the T code option. Then choose request code. On the screen, you can see a QR code where you need to do the payment of your packages. For the packages, there are three plans given on the screen. The first one is your basic plan, that is your 1 month plan. The amount is 999. Through this package, the withdrawal is available only for 1 month. And this can be purchased only once per year. From this plan, you do not get any kind of permanent work or promotion, and there is no referral or bonus income. Second plan is your Pro plan, that is 1499. Here, the withdrawal is available for 6 months and you get the access to work on the e-commerce platform. Here, the referral income is available only to 3 levels. And the highest plan is your premium plan, the 1999 amount. Among these three plans, this is the best one because this provides you a lifetime withdrawal access and it provides you a permanent job plus promotion opportunities, and here you can get the unlimited income with unlimited team income. So this is the most powerful plan with lifetime income benefits. So I am choosing the highest one, that is premium plan. Now I am selecting the package T code 1999. Then enter the UTR number, that means transactions number that you have received while doing the payment, to the QR code given on the above screen. Then you need to upload the receipt, that means the screenshot of the amount. Transfer to the QR code. Then tap on the send request. So here I have requested and very soon my request will get approved. Now exit the screen to upgrade your codes. For upgrading the code, first you need to copy your user ID given on the above screen. Then choose upgrade codes option. Select the package. Then tap open package. And then to buy your approved package, you need to paste your user ID that you have copied from the dashboard. Then tap on the option of confirm and upgrade. So finally, you can take a withdrawal. So we will choose again the left 3-line option and then choose withdrawal. I am entering the amount of 50,000 here. Then choose submit and your withdrawal request has been submitted. You can also check your withdrawal request from the history option. And here you can see the status of my request that has been approved. So this is how you can take the withdrawal from geonixindia.com. Thank you so much to watch this video till the end.